Welcome to our lecture on supply chain optimization and logistics, a crucial area in modern business management. Today, we will specifically focus on leveraging GIS for achieving efficient operations. Okay, let us begin by understanding some foundational concepts that are crucial in the field of logistics. This will involve understanding the precise movement and delivery of goods efficiently and effectively. First, let us define logistics, which is a key term for our discussion today. It essentially involves managing the entire flow of goods and services very efficiently. This management spans from their starting point all the way to their final consumption. Key activities in logistics include transportation, warehousing, and careful inventory management. Now, let us look at distribution planning, another crucial concept in this area. This determines the most efficient ways to deliver products effectively to their destinations. The goal is to reach customers or retailers in the most effective and timely manner. It primarily focuses on achieving timely and cost-effective product deliveries to meet demand. Let us now explore GIS as a powerful, strategic tool in the realm of logistics. It helps us make well-informed decisions by using spatial analysis techniques effectively. First, GIS allows us to analyze various geographic patterns efficiently and clearly. This helps us understand the spatial relationships among different supply chain elements. Next, GIS is vital for optimizing our transportation systems and networks. We can model and significantly improve the movement of goods across these networks. It also helps us accurately assess customer demand in different geographic areas. This helps identify high demand areas for more targeted and efficient distribution strategies. Ultimately, GIS enables us to make truly informed and data-driven decisions. We gain data-driven insights that are crucial for comprehensive strategic planning. Let's explore the diverse applications of GIS within the field of logistics. These applications significantly enhance efficiency throughout the entire supply chain. One key application is route optimization, which is incredibly powerful for operations. This involves minimizing travel distances for all our vehicles and deliveries. Consequently, it leads to a significant reduction in overall fuel consumption. Another important application is facility location, which is about strategic placement. This ensures optimal site selection for various operational facilities efficiently. For example, placing warehouses and distribution centers strategically for best reach. We also use GIS for comprehensive transportation network analysis. This helps us identify potential bottlenecks in our transportation networks effectively. It also allows us to evaluate different transportation modes efficiently and strategically. Finally, GIS supports demand-driven distribution strategies to meet customer needs. This means anticipating customer needs and preparing for them proactively. We can strategically position inventory to meet those anticipated demands effectively. Now, let's discuss the significant benefits of GIS-driven route optimization. These are the key outcomes that lead to efficient delivery and transportation. First, route optimization significantly contributes to reduced fuel use. By finding the shortest or fastest routes, we effectively minimize fuel consumption. Next, it leads to greatly improved time efficiency in our operations. Optimal routing directly reduces both travel and overall delivery times. We also see significant cost savings across the board in logistics. This includes lower expenses for fuel, maintenance, and driver hours. Finally, route optimization results in enhanced customer satisfaction greatly. Timely and reliable deliveries consistently improve the overall service experience. Let us consider the critical factors for optimal facility location carefully. GIS added site selection is crucial for achieving truly optimal operations. One key factor is the proximity of a site to major highways. This reduces transportation costs and significantly improves overall delivery times. Another important consideration is ensuring good access to skilled labor. We prioritize areas that have a readily available skilled workforce for operations. We must also carefully consider the current market demand for products. Placing facilities near high-demand regions ensures quick and efficient delivery. Finally, real estate costs are a significant factor to evaluate thoroughly. We compare land costs to find the most cost-effective solutions for our business. Here, we visualize the entire supply chain network using GIS. It begins with our suppliers, the source of raw materials for products. Next, goods move to manufacturers for production and assembly processes. Then, they proceed to warehouses or distribution centers for storage. Finally, products reach retailers or directly to our valued customers. We can significantly reduce cost by leveraging spatial efficiency. This involves optimizing the geographic aspects of all business operations. A key function is minimizing all transportation distances effectively. We calculate the shortest routes between all supply chain nodes precisely. Centralizing distribution also ensures more efficient and streamlined service delivery. Another crucial aspect is efficient warehouse location for optimal flow. Locating warehouses near suppliers reduces inbound transportation costs significantly. Placing them near customers also cuts down on delivery times considerably. We also focus on load and vehicle routing optimization effectively. Planning full vehicle loads helps to reduce the number of trips. We calculate efficient routes while considering various real-world conditions. Finally, inventory optimization plays a vital role in cost reduction. We strategically position inventory in areas with high customer demand. Tracking stock movement ensures efficient and timely replenishment of goods. Now, let's explore hands-on route optimization using GIS tools. This is a practical guide to effectively leveraging GIS tools for planning. First, we need to clearly define the scope of our problem. This involves identifying the business type and the specific objective. We define the delivery company's type and its overall goals. We then set clear minimization targets for distance, time, and fuel. Next, it is essential to outline all key constraints carefully. This includes specifying delivery requirements like no skipping stops. Also, note vehicle capacity limits and real-time data requirements. Our next step is to gather and load all the necessary spatial data. We begin by collecting all necessary data sets for detailed analysis. This means obtaining locations for warehouses and retail stores. We also acquire road network data, including speed limits and road types. Then we prepare the GIS software layers for our project. Load the base map, warehouse, store, and road network layers. Ensure proper configuration of all layers with their attributes. Now, let's utilize the powerful GIS routing tools available. We start by configuring all the routing parameters carefully. This involves selecting the desired route type, either fastest or shortest. Integrate real-time traffic data if it is readily available. Next, we run the optimization algorithm to process the data. We can use TSP or a network analysis plugin for this. This generates the most efficient routes for all our vehicles. Finally, we evaluate and export all the resulting data. We carefully analyze the effectiveness of the generated routes. Compare routes based on distance, time, and fuel consumption. Also verify that all delivery deadlines are met consistently. The last step is to document and share all our findings. Export the optimized routes as GIS layers for future use. And generate detailed reports for all relevant stakeholders. To summarize, let's review the key takeaways from our discussion. These are the essential points to remember from this lecture. GIS is essential for optimizing supply chain logistics and distribution efficiently. Key applications include optimizing routes, facilities, and network structures. Spatial analysis reduces cost by minimizing distances and improving resource utilization. Real-time tracking and dynamic adjustments significantly enhance delivery efficiency. Hands-on GIS tools enable practical route planning and substantial cost savings. GIS supports sustainable practices by reducing fuel consumption and emissions.